Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add your signature in a PDF format document file without using any PDF editor in Windows PC. So without further delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have one PDF file on my desktop home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just right mouse click on it and just select it open with and just select this Microsoft Edge web browser. So now you can see the PDF document file. Now in order to add your signature on this PDF file, you can use either a handwriting style, that is by writing with a pen or pencil, or you can add a digitally sign using a type text. So here firstly let us try the handwriting style. So in order to write a handwriting style, just click on this draw option and now just click on this down arrow icon. Now you can select your respective pen or pencil color. So I'll just use the default blue color. You can increase the thickness also if you wish. So I'll just keep it as it is. Now say I want to add a signature here. So just let me add a signature here. So I've added a signature. So this is our handwriting style digitally signed signature. So if you want to add a text style, then just select this option. Now just click once where you want to add the text style digital signature. Now type your signature name and then you can drag it and place it depending upon your needs. Once you are done, just click on the blank area. Now you can see we have finally added our respective signature on the PDF format document file. So once you are done, you can just save it directly or you can save it as a copy by clicking here save as. So just save it as a copy, click on save. You can see it's being saved. So let us reopen it. So this is the edited one. So now you can see the signature has been added into this PDF format document file. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add your signature in a PDF format document file without using any PDF editor in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.